Guys, so today we are going to learn about kubectl command. So what is kubectl? In last few years, Kubernetes has grown exponentially in popularity, as we know, because it has been adopted by many different organizations, and it is very much in open source in nature, flexibility, and ability to run anywhere. Developer also love the fact that you can manage everything in Kubernetes using code. So kubectl is the Kubernetes specific command line tool that lets you communicate and control Kubernetes cluster. Whether you are creating, managing, or deleting resources on your Kubernetes platform, kubectl is an essential tool. In this PPT, you can see that it is describing that how a user is trying to communicate with Kubernetes cluster. Here we have seen that all the main components which are connected to each other in Kubernetes cluster in master node, Kube API is the only main gate where kubectl gets connect. With also this, we will see that how can we install the kubectl binary to our Linux system or your Windows or your Mac. So I have given a link over here which you can see as a Git library, and when you will open that link, it will look like this. Installing configuration kubectl for Linux, and here is the link which describe about the Kubernetes documentation for installing the kubectl, and here you can see the steps for the Linux one, right? And how can you configure the kubectl command, and then you can run the below command. So as we have the Mac right now, and let me try to install kubectl here with the help of brew, which is a yum package manager for it. So when I hit enter, you can see that it is running, and it is already installed. So I can now run to check the binary of kubectl whether it has installed or not. So I have to open a new tab, and then you can install run kubectl -help. You can see it is successfully ran, and you can see it is giving us all the options which is required to perform the Kubernetes task.